Hi guys, today I'm gonna be fidget trading and my only fidget is this stupid cloud puppet. It's getting so boring. It is a legendary one, but fine, it's not legendary. I'm gonna try scamming someone and say it's legendary. Trading legendary limited edition cloud puppet going once, going twice, going three times. Please. Okay. Well, what do you offer? I just always wanted a legendary, so I'll give you like a lot, like so much. This, and this. You're so under. Please add. Fine. I'll add this. I'll add this. I'll just add all my puppets and my dimple. It's a rare glittery dimple. Fine, you're still really under, but I will accept. Yes. Wait. Guys, I have so much now. I have so many puppets. I can't believe I actually scammed her. Yay, finally got a legendary cloud puppet. That is so amazing. Wait, why does she have it? Oh, that's weird. Wait, he has it too. Wait, she has it. That girl scammed me. This is not even there. Hey, I want my stuff back. Well, sorry, no. Bye, girlie. Okay. Wow, that was an amazing scam. I have all her stuff. Trading orange puppet. It's very nice. You're allowed this. Going once. Going twice. Me! Please, me! Okay. What would you like to offer? I will offer my black ball. That's really nice. I'll offer my infinity cube. I meant star cube. I'll add 2 poppers. And I'll add a homemade fidget pad. Can you please add? I really like my puppet. Fine, I'll even add this other fidget board. Sure, I accept. Yes, thank you. Yeah. Yay, I got some new stuff. I've never had a splat ball though. And an infinity cube like this. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed today's fidget trading. I'm pretty sure this is fidget trading part 70, guys. Wow. Bye.